Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So with your Microsoft Office apps such as Word or Excel, if you're receiving this SmartApp error, that is part of this app has been blocked, winclient.dll was blocked because it wasn't properly signed. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel and then click on uninstall a program. Now find Microsoft Office in the list. Now once you find Microsoft Office, make a right click on Microsoft Office and then click on change. Click on yes to allow, and over here you can see quick repair options. So select quick repair and then here you can read fixes most issues quickly without the need of internet connection. So click on repair and let the repair complete. So save your work before you continue. So make sure that you save all your files and then click on continue. It will close the app and then it will perform a quick repair. Now once the repair is done, you can close this and then you can try to open Word or Excel and then you can check. You should not receive the error, but still you are receiving the error. In that case, you can close the Office app once again and then make a right click once again over here and then click on change and then click on yes to allow and then this time go for online repair. Now let me inform you, when you go for online repair, it will reinstall your Microsoft Office. So make sure that in case if you have a physical copy, then you might need the product key, and if you have the, make sure that you have the correct email and password, because after reinstallation it may ask you to log in once again. So it will fix all issues, but it takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. So you can click on repair over here, select online repair. Now click on repair and let the repair complete. It may reinstall your Office. So over here you can see it's reinstalling Office. So let the reinstall complete. Now once done, you can close this and then you can open Office app and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of the errors. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.